If you're heading out on cleanup duty this Friday for Earth Day, good for you, but you're going to need some energy. Nik Manojlovich from Weekend at the Cottage has a few recipes to give you a tasty boost. Good morning.
Morning, Annette.
I love your first one because it's how I start every day here at Morning Live. It's overnight oats.
Overnight oats. And if you've never made them, this really is a recipe we want you to embrace and enjoy. And it's so easy to make. These three recipes today, one is about ingredients, two is about process, three is about the concept. All of them support a healthy Earth Day. You want to do those oats?
Let's do them.
It's such an easy recipe. We're starting by taking rolled oats. We're going to add them into a large measure with a little bit of oat milk. We then like to add dark brown sugar. We're using Red Path's dark brown sugar, which is sustainably sourced, ethically grown. This is important, right? We have a choice on these wonderful ingredients we can use. This is good for the earth. We're adding chia seeds. We're going to add a little bit of nutmeg and cinnamon. We're going to stir everything together, and then you transfer them into quite a bit attractive container. You can use a cereal bowl or a mason jar. Transfer them into the container, place them in the fridge overnight, go to bed, dream about how we're all saving the planet. And then the next day, when you open it up, you'll see it's done. There is no cooking involved. We're adding fresh fruit to the top. I suggest adding a little bit of nuts and seeds for lots of energy and protein, and then a little bit of dried fruit at the end. When you stir it up, you're ready to enjoy a perfectly prepared breakfast in like zero preparation and no time.
Yours are so much more fancier than mine. And I do heat mine up in the microwave when I get to work because I like a warm oatmeal.
Oh, I love it like this, just with like the fresh fruit and stuff. When you're looking for that, the sugar, when you're out to purchase, we're looking for that new green icon and you're good to go.
Okay.
Do you want to do another one?
Yeah, let's do that.
So this recipe is all about no bake. You're not doing anything. You need one bowl to pull this together. We're doing these healthy energy bites. Look at how dinky they are, but they're packed with great energy stuff to get you to clean up the earth on Friday. Oats, a little bit of protein powder. We're adding a little bit of cinnamon, and then we're going to add some sesame seeds. You can stir the dry mix together. It's very easy to create. You're going to add a favorite nut butter, a little bit of honey, and then, well, the three things that gives this recipe its signature: some sun-dried cranberries, okay, stubby sweet chocolate chips, and then some shredded unsweetened coconut. Pull it together. Your hands are washed. Pull it together with your hands. We add a little bit of oat milk, and then you're left with these absolutely gorgeous little tiny energy balls. Give them to the kids. Hey, kids, come on, grab your bag, put on your gloves. You're going to go clean up the earth. Hand each kid one of these little energy balls. I'm telling you, they'll clean up the neighborhood in no time.
And really, one or two is all you need of those.
Yeah, and keep them in a storage container in the freezer. I grab these every day after my workout. Perfect.
Great idea. Okay, now something with stuffed peppers to give us energy.
Yes, and this is a nod to this change to us thinking about plant-based recipes and eating, whether it's vegetarian or vegan. These stuffed peppers are all the rage. We posted them last weekend and they went crazy on weekendатthecottage.com. We're taking assorted colored bell peppers. I'm using yellow, orange, and red. We're doing a mix of protein-packed quinoa. We're adding some sauteed veggies. You make this recipe your own, Annette. I want you to put your favorite veggies in there. We're going to stuff those peppers, and you really have to, I want you to press that quinoa mix firmly into the peppers. We then do a very easy tomato sauce. We're going to add, a little bit of tomato sauce on the top. It's so delicious. We're going to put the caps on. You bake, and then these peppers are ready to be enjoyed. The thing that we're suggesting on these, you can top your peppers with a dollop of sour cream or yogurt, but look for those plant-based cheeses now. And you can add a little dollop of like a non-dairy dressing on top of this. It's amazing. It really is. And this, I'm telling you, this whole thing is ready to go for the weekend to give you lots of energy on Friday.
And I love the little tops that you put back onto the peppers. Great idea. So we're going to get the connection for a Weekend at the Cottage, your great site, up at chch.com. Nik, always great having you on the show.
Thank you, everybody. Enjoy. Happy Earth Day.